That's no. Actually, the Indian academic system, only 50% of people from school to they are going for higher education. Around 85% in India, they are dropped out or they are not going to, they are not crossing the school. Okay, so 80%. So we expect around 25 crore students every year, the world largest in India. Only 15%. So around 4 crore people going higher education. More than 20 crore people not crossing. So it is the demands for community college system. So it's a skill based and alternative education system. So it's required.
And how did you come to know about community colleges?
Yeah, through US community college system, it is very famous.
Yeah.
So we decided to launch community college in India. Because big demand is here only. So more than 20 crore people are waiting for that particular system. So here the community college system is flexible educational method, especially. Okay, they can do their skill development activities in the evening or weekend or online. Okay, so many kind of way they can study during their work. So learn and learn that is possible only in community college. So that's why we concentrate more on this system.
And how did you personally, did you go to the US and see community colleges, or did you just read online? How did you personally learn about community colleges?
Yeah, actually that community college system in US is very famous. Okay, then I have planned to visit the community colleges in US soon.
Do you have, so how would you then define community college?
Community college is for community college, it's for people, by people, it's for the community. That's why we need the community college, only for, especially for community, which require what kind of demand in the particular community. So that that college should provide the demand. Should satisfy the demand.
And how many community colleges are registered with BSS now?
Yeah, at present we have more than 225 community colleges under BSS much.
And all over India?
Yeah, all over India. We have a community college in Kanyakumari. It is a least part of India. Yeah. Then we have community college in Jammu and Kashmir. It's a top. It's top of the India.
Geographically at the top.
Geographical, it is top of it.
And how long have you been working here?
I've been working around 11th. It's 11th year.
11th year. And when did community colleges start?
It started in 2008.
2008.
After joined 4 years after.
So you joined 4 years before community college started?
No. After I joined.
Great.
Yeah. Then 4 years, 2008 only.
And what did you do before community college?
No.
Before community colleges started here?
No.
What were you doing here?
No. Actually, I joined here in 2005. 2008 only we started a community college.
So 2005 to 2008, what was your job?
Yeah, our job is vocational education. I'm the director in vocational education and community college. Also skill mission. Here vocational institute at present we have more than 10,000 institute we have through India and abroad. It's a very common system in India.
And 225 community colleges. How many students total?
Totally it's crossed more than 1 lakh per year. More than 1 lakh every year.
And what's the difference between vocational education and community college?
Vocational education just is a skill transfer courses. Maybe a certificate or diploma courses is coming under vocational. But in vocational courses they cannot clip on their career through academic level. But in community colleges, after finishing diploma, they can go for associate degree. After finishing associate degree, they can go to enter into the degree. That's a possibility there in community colleges.
That vertical integration.
It's a vertical integration is possible. But here not possible. Here only for the vocational education, we are preparing students for with the employable skill. They are going for employment.
Okay, so vocational students get skills only and they go for jobs.
Yeah.
And community college students get skills and academics?
Academic, as well as they are going for job.
Huh.
In the meantime,
Huh.
suppose they finish a diploma, they can go for job. After finishing associate degree, they can go for job. And also they have a chance to practical job. They can go for, but in vocational not possible.
Okay, and are vocational short-term courses or still long-term?
Which one?
Vocational.
Vocational course is 1 month to 24 months.
Okay, and what about community college?
Community college also we are maintaining the same kind of system.
Okay.
But here also 6 months certificate course, 1 year diploma course, 2 year associate degree course. This is the system we want.
And where would students go to get their degree? If they want, after their associate's degree at the community college, where would they get their third year?
Yeah, at present we are, its road is blocked.
Okay.
Because in India there is no community college act.
Okay.
So we are waiting for, we are asking government. The last Congress government also we asked.
Okay.
Now BJP government is going on. This time here also we requested them to bring a community college system.
Okay.
Community college act.
Huh.
Then only we can bridge associate degree to regular degree.
But right now, so students right now can't go for that third year and get a degree?
Now in India.
Yeah.
Not
You are a
possible.
community college student?
No, not possible. Now we offer only up to associate degree.
Okay.
Its road is blocked. That's why I told you.
Yeah. And who issues the associate degree?
Associate degree we made a tie-up with the Indira Gandhi National Open University, IGNOU New Delhi. In 2009 we made a MOU. Then 2008 we made a MOU. Then 2012 we made a MOU Mahatma Gandhi University. But the lack of the Community College Act, UGC blocked both of them.
Oh.
So this year we are searching community colleges outside the country.
Okay. Oh. So such as, where might you be able to get a tie-up outside the country?
No, we are planning that. We are planning, not yet finalized. We are searching in universities.
Okay, so searching foreign universities.
Foreign university to offer their associate degree program in India. Maybe their online program, we will make associate, we will make a MOU. Then we launch their program here and let them certify. We will conduct a class here. That is our current plan. Because we already more than 200 community colleges, we can, it should not be go waste. That's why.
How socially acceptable are community colleges?
In India, it is a new to that. People think that community college is a low grade education system.
Yeah.
Because India, it was ruled by British. They introduced the Macaulay system. So more than 150 years we are following the Macaulay system. Now in Indians they are not ready to upgrade for another system here. So still acceptance of community college is a little bit difficult here. But continuously we are trying to do that.
What do you do to try and change the mindset?
The mindset, we are explaining many things about that system because whenever I give a talk in the stage regarding various vocational activities and community college, I explain that what is the Macaulay system output. You please see, refer that. So after independence, more than 60 years we crossed. We reached only higher education for 15% of students. 85% of students are black by the system. Okay, so we need a system for majority. 50% is a minority. So community college is a system for majority people. Okay, Macaulay system let it be. We are not interested to close the Macaulay system. At the same time, we need a community college system as well as Macaulay. That's who prefer that based on the students' interest. Okay.
That makes sense. Do parents want their students to study in community college?
Well,
Do parents want their students to study in the community college?
Yeah, because there is no other law. Suppose after 10th fail student, school failed student, okay, they are failure, so there's no alternative. That's why they are sending a student.
Okay.
Not like America. In US, their mindset is entirely different.
Okay.
They consider as a regular college. Because they are considering that as someone of the system they consider. Here, those who are failure, those who are lower mark, getting a lower mark,
Yeah.
they are only our aspirants of community college. What they can do. That's all.
Okay. And so, what about other models of community college in India?
Models.
Yeah, because there's say like ICRDC who runs NGO community colleges, Father Xavier Alphonse.
Father Xavier, yeah. He is running a community college in different mode.
Okay.
They are running a community college in a certificate level program.
Okay.
In the lower end. Actually, in the lower end, we already matured in the market.
Okay.
Especially Parasavas Samaj.
Okay.
Parasavas Samaj has been conducting lot of vocational courses from 1954 onwards. It was established in 1952. 54 we conducted agricultural technician in Vidarbha, Maharashtra, our ancestors. Okay, so now we are very much matured in that field, in vocational education. So we have now more than 1,000 courses in vocational education and certificate and diploma program, master diploma. So we see that the community college, especially for vertical development.
Yeah.
So after finishing our diploma, maybe in vocational education or community college, our students should go to higher education. So we see that community college only for a vertical development of students' career.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever talked to, say, Father Xavier or anybody from that team who's propagating it?
Already I discussed in 2009 and 10 in IGNO.
Okay.
Okay, when we discussed in the IGNO meeting, we discussed a lot.
Okay. And are you? But you said the government blocked the IGNO tie-up, so that's no more.
Now MG also blocked by UGC. What we can do, because UGC says there is no act in India, how you are offering us degree?
Yeah.
Everything blocked. Anyway, within 1 or 2 months, we are secretly preparing ourselves to make a tie-up with the American universities.
Okay. So you're looking for foreign universities, maybe American in specific. And who are you working with to make those tie-ups in the US?
Yeah, I am very much interested.
Huh.
So I am searching. If you guide me, I am ready to make it.
So, how do you let people know about the community college? That there's to start a community college?
I didn't get it.
How do you propagate the idea of community college?
Propagate, right? Because now around 225 community college, we are converting our existing vocational institute as a community college. Those who have interest, those who have infrastructure, those who conduct capacity to conduct these courses.
Okay.
Okay, those vocational institute, we are converting as a community college.
What about, can other people, do you invite other people outside of?
Outside also, the people also can get a community college directly from us if they have enough infrastructure and also interest students.
How do you decide who to register as a community college?
The newcomer.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very simple. We have a norms. This much of classroom, this much of